So here's what I do before I go out to ride. I'd use multi-purpose WD-40 on the engine on the wide spray, just to prevent mud from sticking. I'd also spray it under the mud guards. Also using the narrow spray for foot pegs and for levers. There's nothing worse than a squeaky lever or a lever that has a notch or not a smooth feeling. I always like to check my brake discs and give them a good clean with the brake cleaner, just to make sure that they're working when I go out on track, especially when you're running into the first turn. I also use brake cleaner to remove any existing product to help give me grip out on track. I always check my tyre pressures. One of the things that I normally do before I go out to ride is make sure that my chain is well lubricated. For wet conditions, I'd use chain wax.